Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I think that this is the part that every single car owner that does their own oil changes need. So this is the Fumoto engine oil drain valve. So basically what this does is replaces the oil drain plug from the car and basically makes all the oil changes extremely easy. The package basically comes exactly like this, and then inside this little cardboard it has pretty much all the instructions that you need to how to pretty much install this and torque it down. The valve, pretty much what it does is screw into the existing drain plug and pretty much has this little lever that you open and close and makes pretty much, drains the oil that way, and then closes up, which is this way, kind of locks in place. There, it's closed right there, and then you open up this way and you basically drain the oil that way without having to unbolt or bolt anything back on. It also comes with this little gasket right here to make sure that you get a nice good seal. The valve is under $30, which is pretty cheap, and I'll leave the link in the description below for you guys that want to buy this. This valve is specifically for 2019 WRX, so I believe they all work for 2015 WRXs and up. Now for the STI, there are different ones that have different nipples. There's one that has no nipple, there's one that has a longer nipple, but for this car, because it's pretty close to like the subframe, you want to keep a short nipple. If you want to buy different ones with a longer nipple or no nipple at all, just make sure that you get M16 and 1.5, and that's pretty much that's what the bolt is on the bottom of the oil pan. If you want to know, the part number is F108S, as I believe S is S for short for the nipple, short nipple, and that's pretty much it. It is the first oil change for the WRX, so why not just put the little valve and then call it a day, for future oil changes. So basically, when you do oil changes regularly, it has the the drain plug is going to be right here, and this is basically the whole job that you have to do for it. This is basically what happens. Your hand gets full of oil once you start taking this little thing off. And after you have installed the Fumoto valve, it's pretty simple as just pulling the valve and opening it up. And that's pretty much it. That's all you got. I almost failed to mention that the valve also comes with this little locking clip. It basically goes over the little lever that you open. The lever itself, it's not easy to, it's pretty easy with your fingers. I don't see it just open just because in the road. It's deep in there, and then you have to kind of like lift it up and then slide it all the way. There is some force that you need to make it slide. But this little locking clip kind of gives you like a little secondary little lock to give you that little peace of mind, just in case, for those that are afraid of something happening. But this little locking piece goes there, and that's pretty much it. I'll finish up my little oil change real quick here and then finish everything up. So that is extremely easy to do. One thing I want to say is the little nipple that has the valve. Little nipple is actually made for you to put like a hose, like connect the hose into there, so when you drain it, you can drain it to like a jug, anything that you want to drain, instead of the big oil pan catcher, pretty much drain pan. Also, it's pretty simple to do. It's just you're just loosening up one plug and pretty much installing another plug there. Just follow the instructions that are on the little cardboard thing, and it's really, from now on, it's like oil changes are even going to be a lot quicker. So, and then the last thing you want to do also is to, you know, turn the car on, make sure that you have absolutely no leaks at all, and then you're good to go. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this little short video of the Fumoto drain plug, and just give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, just consider subscribing for more videos like this. Just make sure you follow, you go into the description below. I'm going to leave that link there. I'm going to try to attach other links for like the STI or for the longer nipple, the no nipple at all, and you know, you choose whatever you would like to choose. It will fit the WRX, and I'll put for the STI also. I believe it's the same size of the plug. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next video.